Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to Chauhan classes. Yesterday, we enjoyed reading an interesting lesson, The Black Aeroplane. Today, we shall discuss the multiple choice questions of the lesson to test ourselves. So, be with me till the end of the video. Let's start. First question. Which plane was the narrator flying? वर्णनकर्ता किस जहाज को उड़ा रहा था? कौन सा जहाज उड़ा रहा था? ऑप्शन ए डकोटा, बी मिग 29, सी बोइंग 747 और डी समोटा. The right answer is option A. The narrator was flying a Dakota aeroplane. What was the pilot looking forward to? पायलट को किस चीज की उम्मीद थी? वो आने वाले समय में किस चीज की आशा कर रहा था? ऑप्शन ए फ्लाइंग प्लेन इन द क्लाउड्स, बी बीइंग विद हिज फैमिली, सी chatting with radio station or D none of the above. The right answer is option B, being with his family. What was the time when he looked at his watch? जब उसने अपनी घड़ी में समय देखा तो समय कितना था? ऑप्शन ए 11:30 in the morning, B 12:30 in the morning, C 1:30 in the morning and D 2:30 in the morning. The right answer is option C 1:30 in the morning. Name the country the pilot was flying over. वो पायलट उस समय किस देश के ऊपर से जहाज उड़ा रहा था? ऑप्शन ए इंग्लैंड, B India, C France and D Italy. The right answer is option C. The pilot was flying over France. Which country did the pilot belong to? वो पायलट किस देश का रहने वाला था? ऑप्शन ए इंग्लैंड, बी इंडिया, C France and D Italy. The right answer is option A. The pilot belonged to England. What was the advice of Paris control room? पेरिस कंट्रोल रूम ने उस पायलट को क्या सलाह दी? ऑप्शन ए टू टर्न टू 12 डिग्री ईस्ट, B to turn to 12 degree west, C to turn to 12 degree north and D to turn to 12 degree south. The right answer is option B to turn to 12 degree west. What happened when the pilot had covered a distance of 150 kilometers from Paris? क्या हुआ जब पायलट पेरिस से 150 किलोमीटर आगे तक पहुंच गया था? ऑप्शन ए ही सॉ अनदर प्लेन, बी अ स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड began to blow, C a heavy rain began to fall and D there were storm clouds in front of him. The right answer is option D. He saw storm clouds in front of him. They looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. वे आसमान के बीचों बीच काले पहाड़ों की तरह मेरे सामने दिखाई दे रहे थे. What looked like black mountains? यहाँ किन काले पहाड़ों की बात हो रही है? ऑप्शन ए ब्लैक माउंटेन्स, B storm clouds, C tall buildings and D black plateau. The right answer is option B The storm clouds looked like black mountains. Why could he not fly up and over the black clouds? वो पायलट उन काले बादलों के ऊपर से उन्हें क्यों पार नहीं कर सकता था? ऑप्शन ए, he did not have enough fuel. B, he did not want to waste time. C, the engine was weak to do so. And D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, he did not have enough fuel. How far was the narrator from Paris when he saw black clouds in the sky? जब पायलट ने आसमान में उन काले बादलों को देखा तो उस वक्त वह पेरिस से कितनी दूर आ चुका था? ऑप्शन ए 200 किलोमीटर्स, बी 50 किलोमीटर्स, सी 100 किलोमीटर्स और डी 150 kilometers. The right answer is option D, 150 kilometers. What happened when the plane entered the storm? जब जहाज उन काले बादलों में दाखिल हुआ तब क्या हुआ? ऑप्शन ए, the aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. B, the compass was dead. C, the other instruments were suddenly dead. D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. What did the pilot of the other plane ask him to do? दूसरे जहाज के पायलट ने डकोटा पायलट को क्या करने को कहा? ऑप्शन ए, to die peacefully there. B, to speed up the plane and come out. C, to follow him. And D, to borrow fuel from him. The right answer is the pilot of the black plane asked the Dakota plane to follow him. Option C is the right answer. How did the pilot follow the strange aeroplane? डकोटा जहाज के पायलट ने किस तरह से दूसरे अजीब जहाज का पीछा किया, उसको किस तरह से फॉलो किया? ऑप्शन ए, लाइक अ डिसिप्लिन्ड सोल्जर. बी, लाइक एन इग्नोरेंट बॉय. सी, लाइक एन ओबीडियंट चाइल्ड. एंड डी, लाइक अ mischievous boy. The right answer is option C. He followed him like an obedient child. What made the pilot frighten again while following the strange aeroplane? वो क्या चीज थी जिसने उस डकोटा एरोप्लेन के पायलट को एक बार फिर से डरा दिया जब वो अजीब ब्लैक जहाज के पीछे लगा हुआ था? ऑप्शन ए, इट वॉज द डेंसिटी ऑफ द स्टॉर्म. बी, द टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम इन द इंजन. सी, द शॉर्टेज ऑफ फ्यूल. एंड डी, द स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड began to blow. The right answer is option C. It was the shortage of fuel. Where did the other plane take the pilot to land safely? वो दूसरा काला जहाज डकोटा जहाज को सुरक्षित उतारने के लिए कहाँ लेकर गया? ऑप्शन ए, इन द जंगल. बी, in the sea. C, at an airport runway. And D, in a big factory. The right answer is option C, at an airport runway. How many fuel tanks were there in the plane Dakota? डकोटा प्लेन में कितने फ्यूल टैंक, कितने ईंधन के टैंक थे? ऑप्शन ए 1, B 2, C 3, and D, 4. The right answer is option B. Dakota aeroplane had 2 fuel tanks. The pilot was flying from dash to dash. हमारे डकोटा प्लेन का जो पायलट था वो कहां से कहां की यात्रा कर रहा था? ऑप्शन ए, he was flying from England to France. B, he was flying from England to India. C, he was flying from France to England. And D, he was flying from France to India. The right answer is option C, he was flying from France to England. When the author's plane was caught in the storm, who helped him to come out of the storm? जब डकोटा प्लेन उन काले बादलों के बीच फंस गया तो उस वक्त किसने उन बादलों से निकलने में उसकी मदद की? ऑप्शन ए, एन अदर एरोप्लेन. बी, a helicopter. C, God. And D, all of the above. The right answer is option A, another aeroplane. Why did the pilot ask the woman at control center about the other plane? डकोटा जहाज के पायलट ने कंट्रोल रूम में बैठी उस औरत से दूसरे जहाज के बारे में क्यों पूछा? ऑप्शन ए, टू थैंक हिम. बी, to abuse him for not showing him the right way. C, to ask him about extra fuel. And D, to show him the way further. The right answer is option A. He asked the woman about the other plane to thank him. According to the woman at control tower, how many planes were there in the sky that night? कंट्रोल रूम में बैठी महिला के अनुसार उस रात आसमान में उस समय कितने जहाज उड़ रहे थे? ऑप्शन ए, 2 planes. B, 4 planes. C, 3 planes. And D, only 1 plane, Dakota DS-088. The right answer is option D, only 1 plane, Dakota DS-088. Who is the writer of this lesson? ये लेसन किसने लिखा है? ऑप्शन ए, G.L. Fuentes. B, H.G. Wells. C, Frederick Forsyth. And D, Liam O. Flaherty. The right answer is option C, Frederick Forsyth.